So a critical part to the intra-abdominal pressure or big belly exercise is to have the deep neck flexion activation of this. And this is going to help relax your neck and to make it more challenging for you to breathe. So as you can see, she's got a little bit of extension in her cervical spine or neck. What we want to see is to not only stretch the back part of that, but stabilize it at the same time by a simple chin tuck. Good, perfect. Hold that. Now, an important part of this is to not clench your jaw together. Good. Now, she maintains that, and she's getting a nice stretch here and activating these muscles very nice. And she's got this intra-abdominal pressure, and she's going to feel a nice stretch. Now, continue to breathe. And it's very challenging for the patient at first, but after a while, it gets very easy. Finally, the last kicker to this is to stick the tongue to the roof of your mouth behind your two front teeth, like you're going to say no. And you hold that. And that's going to help activate right here, which is the beginning of the chain that goes the whole way down into your body to help stabilize any issues with low back stability or neck stability.